Whenever he goes somewhere, he tries to tell us that we are going to give you the Gujarat model. What is this Gujarat model? It is not a model of good roads or good sanitation facilities, no. It's a model, it's a deeply flawed model. It's a model, first of all, of communal hatred, of malnutrition, of large subsidies to corporates, of massive propaganda like Gujarat Gaurav. You know that in Gujarat, after the riots, after the anti-Muslim pogrom, what did we have? Not an admission of, not a humble admission of fault or lapse, no. Instead, what did we have? Gujarat Gaurav, pride. That means we take pride in the fact that we killed so many Muslims. We pitted Muslims against Mochis and other communities. We pitted Hindus against Muslims. We divided people. We take pride in all of that. That is Gujarat Gaurav. And it's a deeply, deeply flawed model. Many researchers have shown it. But, of course, the media will highlight otherwise. And that is the Gujarat model. That is exactly what is going to happen in the rest of the country. In Gujarat, the Gujarat state has been slammed for not having a proper implementation of the right to education. And that is what is going to happen across the country. It has never happened before. I have been active in student politics for 2-3 years. Whenever we had to go outside for any campaign, for campaign against Lingo Committee recommendations, for example, or campaign for non-net fellowship during the Occupy UGC movement, we had to book our own tickets, sometimes sleep on the floor of the train, and go to different places and campaign for issues. But this is happening probably for the first time in several years, that students are being asked to come to events which are dedicated to other things. There are many different events which have been going on for years, which never had a student session, but this time we are having a student session. Why is that? That is because whether we like it or not, whether we want it or not, we have been catapulted into a position where we have become the prime opposition against Narendra Modi, against his fascist regime.